Come here.
Okay.
Do you like beans?
No.
You're gonna take this bite of bean, okay? Eat it. Open your mouth. Eat it. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
No.
Put it in your mouth. Eat the bean. Do I need to get Daddy on the phone?
No.
I'm getting Daddy. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Eat the bean. Come here. Keep your fingers out of it. Keep it in your mouth. Do you like beans?
No.
Do you like lettuce?
No.
Oh, don't puke. Here, have some lettuce.
Mm.
Is that better?
Yeah.
What about mushroom? You like mushroom?
Yeah.
You want a bite of mushroom?
Yeah.
Come here, have a bite of mushroom. So you just don't like beans, huh? Are beans gross?
Mm-hmm.
Pick up that bean. Pick it up that dropped. It's Eki. Pick it up, let me see.
Mama, it's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah.
Do you want some more?
No.
You want some more bean?
Yeah.
You want some more beans?
No.
You don't like beans?
Here's this.
You just want lettuce?
Yeah.
Bean?
Huh?
Just lettuce.
Huh?
You want some more lettuce?
What this?
You want a cucumber?
Yeah.
Here, let me help you bite that. It's got stuff. Watch your teeth. Don't bite me. Gotta chew good, okay? You like cucumber?
Mm-hmm.
You want some bean? Mmm, bean. Mommy likes beans. Say no beans. Come here. Say hi, Granny.
Okay.
Say I don't like beans.
Not good.
Not at all.
Mm-hmm.